my fellow citizens, I am honored once again to be your president. I am fully committed to the prosperity and progress of this great country.
Baby.
Which is why I have decided to take some necessary action for the commitment of our people and the land. A lot of people think I don't know what I am doing, but on the contrary, I do. Our land needs cleansing and our people brain needs some resetting, because some of us are just behaving like zoo animal.
I'm a babu. I stay in the zoo.
We are Nigerians and no Zugerians. Having said that, I, your able and capable president, have decided to put some measures to help our people to have sense by force.
There is God. Oh.
And this measure must abide by us. You are looking for my trouble. Number one, I banned Gary. No more drinking Gary in this country. Because many of you have eye problem and it is not good for my government. I cannot be president for bribe people. Number two, if you are a woman and you are wearing a wig of 100,000 naira above and you are jumping Okada Geke, you will start paying tax, because government need money. Number three, I bought Olosho houses. Both men Olosho and women Olosho. You people just go and marry. Don't stress me. The president needs to be rest. Number four, I banned beer parlors. I am tired of seeing people falling inside gutters. Every time I'm going for my evening walk. Number five, I banned Tomo. We need the leather to produce shoe in Aba. Very important. Number six, no more school. Everybody should go to the farm to cultivate agbado and cassava for exportation.
Are you okay?
Number seven, I banned hospital. All the doctors have jackpot to other country. So everybody should go back to the roots of patronize Iya Basira, Iya Basika, Iyabo for their healing agbo from Ekiti and Ibadan, etc. I hope you guys understand what I mean. Number eight, I banned Okada, Uber, BRT, Danvo. I have noticed that even as hard as the country is, people are just too fast for my liking. So everybody should start trekking to work and market to stay fit. Very important. I don't want to be president for dead people. You are too fat for this country, for God's sake.
You are whining me too much.
Number nine, I banned all event center across the country. Every party from now on should be held to the town hall of Bala Blue. Any amount they ask you to pay, you should pay to avoid problem and embarrassment. Number 10, I banned cooking gas.
Not be juju be that.
Firewood jollof and soup is sweeter, very sweet, like all those things that our mother used to cook with the firewood.
How possible we hear of this?
I need the gas to power the presidential yard. Number 11. About sporty bets, people are just commit suicide anyhow.
Sporty bet,
Without taking permission from the government. No, it's bad. Sports bet is banned. Allow your president to breathe. Do not suffocate me. Thank you. May God bless our great country and God bless us all.